This is my latest Dollar Tree haul. Everything you see in this video costs $1.25. We'll start with an egg tray. You don't find these in refrigerators too much anymore, so you have to buy one for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. This comes in 2 pieces, so if you do get this, make sure you take your lid so you don't have a lidless egg container. Pretty cool, holds 12 eggs. You can see how much your egg supply is. There's a little vent hole in the lid, so you can get your finger in there too to get your lid off. Here's what it looks like with actual eggs inside of it. And as a bonus, you can make funny noises with it. Now we have Whitening shampoo and conditioner. These are very large 22.5 ounce bottles, so it's a really good deal for $1.25. The only problem I had was the shampoo was in one aisle and the conditioner was in another aisle. Not sure why, but I did manage to find them and bring them together at last. Now it's a twin pack of microfiber cleaning towels. I found these in the automotive section, but you can use these all around the house. It even comes with instructions. Basically, don't use bleach with these because they'll lose their pretty colors. They're a nice size too. They're about 15.5 inches by 12.5 inches, so that's a pretty good deal. Now it's into the painting section. This is a plastic drop cloth, 9 foot by 12 feet. You can use this for painting. You could use this to cover furniture that you're storing in your garage, your attic, or something like that. Only $1.25. You can't beat this. And brushes. I mean, if you go to Home Depot, you're going to pay probably $10 for one brush. Maybe the quality is not as good as Home Depot, but these are pretty good. If you want to do a quick painting job, these are perfectly fine. Nothing fancy, but they work, and the best part is you don't have to even clean them. You can throw them out when you're finished because it's less than $1.25 for each brush. Still in the painting department, I found this pack of 3 putty knives. They seem to be pretty good quality, and the best part is when you're done with the project, you can throw these out. You can wash them and reuse them. You have 3 sizes, so you really can't go wrong with this. We'll move to the battery department. Did you think you could find button batteries at Dollar Tree? Well, you can. These particular ones, CR2032, are very popular. If your computer battery dies, this is probably the one that you need for your desktop. If your desktop battery dies, your time isn't right on your computer, you could pick 2 of these up for $1.25 and fix your computer. Now the old staple clothespins. Now you could use these not only for hanging up clothes, but you could use them for a variety of other things. I use them for snacks, snack packages. You want to fold them up, but they don't stay closed. Put a clothespin on there and this will stay closed. It's $1.25 for 60. You can't beat that anywhere. Walmart is at least $4 or $5 for a pack not this big. Now you have a twin pack of whitening toothpaste. These are small tubes, but there's 2. You get 2 3.5 ounce tubes for $1.25. So you really can't beat that. You could travel with these. You could use them at home. You'll always have a spare because it's a twin pack. From Brush Buddies. So those are some of the bargains I found at my local Dollar Tree. What bargains have you found in your local store? let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.